go ahead and start painting on this. And like I said before, what we're really going to do is, again, work from darks and move to lights. The first thing I'm thinking about is where I want your focus to be. So with the hard edge, I'm thinking right here. I want a nice hard edge right here. And it's almost in the center, but it's not quite in the center. I don't want things really kind of smack dab in the center. It's just composition. We'll talk about composition in another series. But right now, I want a hard edge here. And this is what's diffused edge. I want this one going softly into the background. So it's going to be really nice and soft. And that's very similar to our reference photo. Like if you see here, I can barely see this. That is a part of the towel that I can barely see. And I'm going to lose that edge, diffuse the edge. Okay. There's another nice soft, a hard edge right about here that I'll bring in. And that's the hard edge right there, as you can see here. It brings in from the highlight into the dark. So that's a really nice one that I'm going to add in there. Okay, this has got a nice soft, like diffused edge that goes from this transition into here. And this one has a nice diffused edge that runs off the page. Okay, so these are my diffused edges that I'm going to add in, which runs off the page. And then I've got another soft edge. So where I'm going to put a hard edge, for example, here. On the opposite side, I'm going to put a soft edge. And how you do a soft edge is you just kind of muddy it a little bit. When I say muddy it, I should say it just kind of, it's a soft edge. You can't see a hard line. It's almost feathered into the background. So that's what I'm going to work on.